Hey guys, this is Neil with The Verge, and this is the new iPad Air. This is Apple's newest full-size iPad. It has the same 9.7-inch Retina display that you've come to know and love, but it's in a dramatically smaller, thinner, lighter package. So for comparison, here's my old busted-up iPad 3, and you can see just how much smaller it is, the bezel on the side, how much thinner it is. And actually, you really got to hold it because it is just incredibly light in your hands. It's almost like as light as the original iPad Mini was. In terms of performance, it's ridiculously fast. It's much faster than my old iPad sitting there, a lot faster than the iPad 4 that I've been playing with at the office. It's running iOS 7, so very familiar there. 5-megapixel camera on the back, 1080p camera on the front, and overall just the same iPad experience you're probably very familiar with, in a much smaller, thinner, and importantly, faster package. The new iPad Air starts at $499 for 16-gig version, $529 for 16-gig with cell. It goes up from there with storage, and it's available November 1st in a whole bunch of countries.
Today we think we have the biggest step yet in delivering the vision that is iPad. And would really love to show it to you right now. iPad, thinner, lighter, more powerful than ever before, and incredibly, excitingly new in so many ways that it deserves a new name. We call it iPad Air. It's dramatically thinner, just 7.5 millimeters thin. That's 20% thinner across the entire device. The previous iPad weighed 1.4 pounds. The new iPad Air weighs just 1 pound. Now, what's inside is just as amazing as what's outside. As inside is the brand new Apple A7 chip that we just launched with the iPhone 5S. And it's blown everything away in performance. In fact, Gizmodo wrote, forget the specs, it blows everything away. All this performance, this thinner and lighter design, and it still delivers amazing all-day 10-hour battery life that our customers love. The new iPad Air comes in silver and white and space gray and black. And like all of our products, it's made incredibly environmentally friendly. The new iPad Air will replace our top-of-the-line full-size iPad. Start at the same, just $499 for 16-gig Wi-Fi config, and with cellular technology, $629.
We're often faced with a paradox when we design, to make products smaller and lighter, while at the same time more powerful. The more we reduce a product's physical volume, the more difficult it becomes to increase its power and maintain its battery life. But if we can overcome these challenges, we can make something without compromises. iPad Air is just 7.5 millimeters thin and weighs only 1 pound. We actually started work on this product years ago, designing and engineering the primary technologies that would be necessary to make it. The new A7 chip is incredibly powerful and also very power efficient. Because of this efficiency, the battery could get smaller, yet critically without any loss in battery life. And of course, by reducing the battery size, the product became significantly lighter. We reduced the dimensions of the bezel. With less mass, the iPad Air still retains its structural rigidity. There's a simplicity to it, but there's nothing precious about it. This integrity, this durability, inspires confidence in a product that's meant to be taken places.
With the iPad, we set out to redefine mobile computing. Up until now, 64-bit architecture was something you'd normally only find in desktop computers. Limiting all of its advanced computing and graphics to this ultra-portable 1-pound device. But even with all of this added processing power, iPad Air still has an impressive 10-hour battery life. iPad Air is the first iOS device to support MIMO, or multiple in, multiple out. It actually delivers twice the data transfer rate as the previous generation. And there's support for more LTE bands than on any other tablet, because with a device this thin and powerful, you'll want to take it anywhere and always stay connected. We've also improved the FaceTime and iSight cameras, adding new processors and sensors, so you get much clearer, sharper images and video.
iOS 7 is essential to the iPad experience. It's at the core of everything you do with iPad Air. And we're now making iMovie, iPhoto, GarageBand, Keynote, Pages, and Numbers available for free. Because we believe that with these amazing apps on this amazing device, the possibilities of what you can create are limitless.
The iPad has always been a tool defined by the ways people actually use it. The iPad Air is so capable and powerful, and yet with its breakthrough size and weight, is the thinnest, lightest, and also the most advanced iPad we've ever built.